Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by connecting the old drive directly to a working PC. This gives full access and avoids software interference. Once connected, check disk management or a Linux live session to confirm the drive appears and note the partition types. This determines which tools to use. If the PC stalls, boot from a rescue USB to mount volumes safely. Make sure to disable any automatic repair prompts so you don't overwrite data while preparing the recovery environment. Next, perform a non-destructive scan to locate lost files and partitions. Test Disk can rebuild partition tables while PhotoRec recovers file types by signature. Start with a quick scan, then a deep scan if needed. This increases the chances of retrieving larger files and system folders. Once you see recoverable items, copy them to a different healthy drive, never to the failing disk. If files are fragmented, use tools that handle fragmentation or export recovered segments, then reassemble carefully on the target drive. Finally, repair only when you have verified backups. Run chkdsk on a copied image or use ntfsfix on clones, because repairs can make some data unrecoverable. Once repaired, validate by opening documents, photos, and configuration files to confirm integrity. If critical system files are missing, rebuild profiles or export registry hives from the recovered Windows folder. If recovery stalls or data is fragmented beyond tools, consider a professional data recovery service. Troubleshooting tip: if scans fail, create a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.